Yeah, this is that one from 50 gauge garage. Just primed the car. Well, just the left and right side, and the flare is done. It's primed and everything. I'll show you right now. So it look. Not bad, huh? Not bad. After this process is finished, I gotta wet sand it tomorrow. This primer's kind of good. It's pretty good. See that flare right there? Nice, right? Yeah. Nice flare right there. And for the next side, here we go. Just hit with some primer. That's about it. So tomorrow I'm gonna hit it, wet sand it, hopefully paint tomorrow, and then you see what color I'm gonna go with. I'm kind of tired right now. Been up yesterday. I didn't leave here till like what 4 o'clock in the morning. Hear the birds. Once you hear the birds, start chirping. Daylight's coming. But anyway, I'm about to wrap up soon. Oh yeah, I gotta do the hood. Hood is going black. On the rest car, the rest of the car is gonna be a different color. But anyway, stay tuned. All right, peace.